Hello and welcome to this video. I remain your coach Silvanus Akon. In this video, we'll be creating another simple design. So make sure you go to your custom size, give the size you want. This one I use 1000 by 2000, the length I want. So let me change the color. Okay, let me bring in a shape here. Come to your shape element, search for a shape. Let me bring in this shape here. Let me drag it down. Okay. Change it to red. Change it to red. Okay. Just watch what I'm doing. Okay. Let me bring in a text. Bring in a text. Sorry. So this is the text, capital letter. Anna Joanko Energy. Okay. Let me change the font style. This is the font I want to use. This legend. Okay. Come to your effect. Make a shadow. Make the shadow. I would like to change that shadow to white. Okay. Then I will bring in, since it's an oil company, so let me search for tanker. Let me say for truck. Tanker. Okay, these are different truck. Come here to all. So you choose the one you want to use. I think I'll go with this one here. I'll remove the background. Become background remover. Um, okay. Then I need well. And let me double click this. Change it to red. Change it to red. Okay. Then I will take it to the tanker. Click on it. So you align it on the body of the tanker, group it, select the word, select the tanker, and group it. Then you can align it in. Okay, I'll change this. Change this to red. Then I will increase the font. Okay, blue. Let me use blue. Okay, let me use blue. Then increase it. Okay, duplicate it. Bring it down here. Edit the text. Anchor oil. Oil and gas. Venture. Ventures. Okay. Now reduce it a little. Then change the color to red. Okay. Make sure you follow the steps. Increase the font here. Okay. Then bring in. Okay. I will duplicate this text here. Bring it up here. Now write the ID number. BN 2561398. Okay. Then you reduce it, reduce the size. Align it then. Okay. And this is the name. Kenneth Ajo. And reduce it. I'll be reducing it. Reduce the font. Then align it well. Then change it to. So you follow the step. I'll change it to black. Okay. Let me edit this. Marketing manager. Okay. Then you reduce this size. Okay. And I'll bring in a text here. Bring in your text. So you put distribution, distrib- distributor of petroleum products such as we have diesel, mm, comma, kerosene, mm, we have petrol. Make sure you put all the services. Petrol, mm, construction, of diesel tank, etc. Okay, then you come and align it very well. So you align it, and let me make it bold. Okay, it's bold already. So I will have to change the font, make it bold. Yeah, it's okay like this. This is interesting. The business card is ready. So let me bring in the contact number, of telephone number. Okay. 08140288953. Okay, I will change it to, this is white. I will change it to white. Okay, and increase the font. This is okay. You are done with the business card. If you want to download it, you come to your download icon here. Your download icon. Let's come to your download button here. The two arrows, the one pointing up and the one pointing down, and then you just download your work. That's very easy. I hope you can be able to practice this simple graphic design, and make sure you practice on daily basis so that you can be creative in your graphic design skill. Hope to see you in another video. Thank you.